passion fruit. Got our local papayas, bananas, ladyfingers, passion fruit, sweet potatoes. And happy Wednesday. What a beautiful, beautiful day it is today. And what are we going to do today?
Have ice cream.
Ice cream, let's go.
And some passion fruit.
Some passion fruit. Something I learned a very, very long time ago. Back in my corporate world, we used to have our teleconferences and we'd be all sitting down for like, you know, an hour to 2 hours. Now with my Skype sessions, I walk and talk, baby. Check out tonight, we have got chicken flavoured potatoes with broccoli and falafels. For those that want to have that chicken flavour but not have any animal content, macel is what I use.